download and install Google app. So if you don't have the Google app, which is right here, so what you need to do is you just need to simply check your internet connection at first. Once you check your internet connection, you need to open up your Play Store. You'll have your Play Store, right? Open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Google. Once you search for Google, now here, this is the application that you need to install. So you'll have the Google application. So if you want to download and install the Google application, then you just need simply tap on install, which will be right here instead of this open. So tap on install, and after tapping on install, it will start the installation process. And it might take some time to install, so you just need to simply wait for a few seconds or a few minutes and it will be installed. Once it's installed, you can go with open, and once you tap on open, if you already have an account, you can sign into your account and you'll be able to use your Google. So that's how you can download and install your Google application, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.